Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines, welcome to Manila. Local time is 31 minutes past the hour of 9 in the morning. And the date today is March 20, 2000.
Delay lang ng ano,
10
minutes.
At least 10 lang.
Or
8 na tayo
start time. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we find a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign is switched on. Please check areas around you for items you might leave behind. If you have onward connection on PAL flights, please proceed to the transfer desk. Passengers taking PAL flights departing from NAIA 3 may avail of our free shuttle service. Our ground personnel will be happy to assist you. If you have onward connection on PAL flights at Terminal 2 and Terminal 3, please proceed to the Immigration and Customs counter for clearance. You may avail of our free shuttle service located outside of Terminal 1 arrival area. For passengers who need assistance like wheelchairs, please deplane that. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Bruce Guevara, First Officer Joel Solis, Captain Joel Solis, First Officer Jun Sanulin, and Second Officer Paolo Dato, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.